Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Sorento trunk. First, let's talk about using your key fob. Simply locate the trunk release button, which often has a car icon with the trunk open. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a chime, and the liftgate will smoothly open to its fully raised position, making loading and unloading very easy. Next, you can open the trunk from inside the vehicle. Look for the trunk release button, usually situated on the lower left side of your dashboard, near the driver's door. It often has the same trunk icon as your key fob. Press and hold this button for a couple of seconds, and the power liftgate will begin to open, providing quick access without leaving your seat. For direct access, you can use the button located on the exterior of the liftgate itself. This button is typically found above the license plate or subtly integrated into the trim. Simply press this button one time, and the power liftgate will automatically unlatch and raise. This method is perfect when you are standing right behind your vehicle. Finally, in an emergency or if the power system fails, there's a manual release. From inside the trunk, locate the small, often glow-in-the-dark, lever or handle. It's usually near the latch mechanism. Pull this lever firmly towards you, and the trunk lid will unlatch. This is a crucial safety feature for unexpected situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.